Hi everyone, this is the line drawing. This is the first one that we're going to do in this class. So I'm going to go up here to the line tool, and that's going to activate my line command. So if I look down here in the command prompt, it's saying specify first point. So I'm going to click to start my line, and then I'm going to move it the direction I want it to go. And then I'm going to simply type the value 4.0 and hit enter. So I'm just looking in this image over here. I'm just starting on this far left side. So I've drawn that line 4 inches. I'm now going to zoom in with my mouse wheel and then push and hold my mouse wheel to pan it. And now I can move my line to the right and type in 1.5 and hit enter. Notice my cursor is snapping to these 90-degree angles, so horizontal and vertical. If yours is not doing that, look for this button down here, restrict cursor to specified angles. If that is turned off, it will not snap horizontal or vertical. So I'm keeping that on, and then I'm going to keep going. So this one's a little bit tricky. I have to do some math. So I've got this distance from here to here, which if I look from here to here it's 1 inch, and then from here to here it's 1.5 inches. So I'm going to move down a total of 2.5 and then hit enter. I'm then going to move my line horizontal, and I'm going to go another 2.5 and hit enter. And I'm just going to work my way around. I'm going to go 1.5 enter, move it to the right, 2.5 enter. I'm going to then go down 3, enter, and then I'm going to move to the left and go the total of 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 1.5 is going to be 6.5. Hit enter, and then since I'm done drawing, I'm just going to hit escape. So that's the outline. Now what I want to do is I want to draw this circle down here. And so to do that, I'm going to find the center mark using my offset tool. So the offset tool is right up here. I'm going to click to turn on the offset tool and activate it. And the offset tool wants the distance first. So what I want to do is I want to take this line here and I want to copy it over 1.2 inches. And I'm going to take this bottom line here and copy it up 1.4 inches, and that will form the center mark. But I need to type in a distance first, so I'm going to use that vertical line. So I'll type in 1.2 and hit enter. So the command prompt then is asking me to select the object to offset, so I'm going to click my object, and now it says specify point on side. So if I click to the right, it's going to copy that line to the right 1.2 inches, and if I click to the left, it's going to offset it 1.2 inches to the left. So I'm going to click anywhere over here and get that copy. So now I'm going to demo that one more time. So I'm going to hit escape to exit the command. I'm going to then go up to offset, activate the command. I'm going to type in my distance, which now I'm going to offset the horizontal line on the bottom up 1.4. So I'm going to use 1.4, hit enter. I'm then going to select the object to offset, which is this line, and then the point on side. So I just click above it and I get that line. So now I can hit escape, exit that command. I can now go up to my radius, or my circle center radius. I've got my center point, so I click my center point, and then I type in my radius, which is 0.6, enter. If that center point does not appear, I'm going to click on this and hit delete and draw it one more time. So if this center point does not appear, or intersection, well, right now it's giving me a perpendicular. If I go down here to my object snap settings, I can turn off perpendicular, and then it should give me this intersection point. So if that doesn't appear, your tool might be turned off in gray. So make sure it's blue and turned on, and then right click and make sure that you've got intersection checked. So if there's a check mark by it, that means it's going to recognize it. So I'm going to click my center point again, and then 0.6, enter, and that's my radius. So now I could click these two lines and hit delete to get rid of them, and then go up to File and hit Save. And that's all you've got to do. Thanks.